guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to me, hello, how are you? Make sure you press the subscribe button, make sure you press the notification buttons when I post the next video. You gonna already get that alert, okay? Point blank period. So today I'm doing a wig review. I got this wig from SamsBeauty. It is a melted hairline lace front wig. Her name is Mindy, and the color I have it in is DRFF Golden Amber, and this is how she looks. I am really loving the different browns they have mixed in together, so we are going to see how this wig does you, girl. So yeah, let's just get to the point, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, so this is how the wig looks coming out. It has those curls at the bottoms. It has the lace right here and the edges here in the front as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there. 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and we have our fave, the elastic band, for those who have those big heads like me. Let's see. I don't even want to put my fingers through it, you know what I'm saying? Not yet. I don't want to just put my fingers through it that fast, you know? So yeah, how we feeling about these colors? Do y'all see what I'm saying when I say that I'm excited about these colors? And I hope I look good in it. Please tell me I look good in it, please. Please tell me I look good in it, okay? Okay, so I cut the lace. I spray a little bit of Gots to Be glued on this side because this wig is only like one part. So you only could work with the part that they give you. So it was much easier for me to just focus and spray on one side versus, you know, other wigs that probably had the 13 by 6, the one you can move side by side. You have to spray the whole lace for it in order for it to stay so it can look right on both sides. But with this wig, you only have one side to mainly focus on, which made it so much easier just to throw this thing on and just spray this one side. And it's currently still drying as we speak. I was trying to debate if I should do, y'all know I be putting my concealer in my part sometimes when it's not standing out enough for me, but I'm still trying to debate if I should do it because it could improve a little bit better with this part, but I'm gonna think on that. This is how it looks when you first put it on, okay? I'm about to put my fingers through. Well, actually I'm just gonna brush through here and bring it to life a little bit because like you can leave the curls like this, but for me, I really think brushing it out makes it look better. So that's what I'm going to do. Yes, I already love it. And that color look good, bruh. Ooh, ooh. That looks so good. I love the effect when you brush out the curls. And it just gives you this beautiful wave bounce. I know you're not shedding. We got a little bit of shedding. We got a little bit. But shoot, I don't care. This thing looks good as hell. This thing looks really good, okay? It's not that much shedding. I can deal with it, you know? I love when I brush out curls for the first time. Like, it just really, to me, it really do bring out the life. It do. Ooh, my lace coming up right here. But I'm not finna glue that right now because it is late tonight. And I wanted to make sure I do this wig review before I take my makeup off, okay? And I felt kind of cute. So I'm just like, let me go ahead and do that wig review. Let me go ahead and do that. This kind of reminds me of my birthday hair because my birthday hair last year, it looked like this color and it kind of gave me this kind of body. I have a blow, but it's a little longer than this one. But I love this. I was sleeping on Mindy a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I was looking at the little curls. I'm like, the curls look a little bit childish, just a tiny bit childish. But of course, you have to brush that thing out. Like I just specifically said, that it brings it life. It brings out the life when you brush out those curls. Okay, I am in love with this color. And listen. What am I about to wear with this? I have no clue, but you already know I'm about to do some type of shoot tomorrow. Wear my hair like this. Yes, I love it. Let's look at the back. Let's go to the back. It's the bounce and the color and the curls for me. What y'all think? I just love bouncy hair. Y'all know that. If y'all been watching my videos, you should know by now I love bouncy hair. That right there is extra points. If the hair bounces, that's an extra point. This is so cute. I give this wig an overall A, okay? So if you're interested in this wig, make sure you go down below, read the description, and the link is there provided for you from SamsBeauty. Make sure you press the subscribe button too while you over there anyway. Duh. Subscribe to the kid and stop playing with me. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I just want to keep moving this from side to side because it just feels so good on my skin. Ooh, it actually do feel good on my skin. Ooh, that feel good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me while I'm enjoying myself. I love this. And then I could just do this, you know. Move it right there. Like that. Give it a little wave. Put it over the eye. Give him a little over the eye lid vibe. But blondish brown vibes. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you're interested in this wig. If you like this wig, let me know your thoughts on this wig. Would you get this wig? Would you slay, honey? If you get it, what color would you get? Because I am loving these browns. Okay. Yeah, I will see you guys next time.